What is cloud computing? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're re-diving into a topic that has become a huge part of our digital lives, cloud computing. Now, if you've ever wondered what it is and how it works, you're in the right place. What is cloud computing? At its core, cloud computing is a way of delivering computing services over the internet, instead of using your own physical hardware. Think of it like renting space and resources on the internet instead of buying or maintaining your own servers. How does it work? Cloud computing works by allowing you to access these resources on demand from anywhere in the world. This means you can store data, run applications, and even analyze data without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. It's all taken care of by cloud service providers. Benefits. One of the biggest advantages is scalability. You can easily scale up or down based on your needs, and you only pay for what you use. Plus, it's cost effective and flexible. Conclusion. So in a nutshell, cloud computing is like having a powerful, flexible, and cost-effective computer on the internet. If you have any questions or want to learn more, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.